Everybody's talking about DeepSeek AI. Now, what just happened? Why did it so-called crash the market? Look, it sent down Nvidia 15%. The NASDAQ went down 2.5 whole percentage. For us crypto people, if you can't stomach a 2.5% dip, you are in the wrong game because crypto crashed even harder. You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these coins, Pulse Chain Hex, all down 20%. Do not fear. This is just the FUD of the week. This is just the PSYOP of the day. It's the news cycle. Everyone's going to forget about it. But what basically happened is that a couple of Chinese guys with a budget of like $70, they basically made a better AI model than ChatGPT with Sam Altman and OpenAI. And by the way, guys, OpenAI is closed source. Everybody's very suspicious of Sam for raising $500 billion. And everybody's calling into question, maybe this OpenAI thing is overvalued. Maybe we're giving this Sam Altman guy too much money. And also, do we even trust him? He's a guy that can potentially censor the training into the model, or he can collude with the World Economic Forum type people. And now you've got the Chinese with this open source model. You can just go use Venice AI if you're scared about giving up your data to the CCP. Look, it's like, which government do you want to give your data up to, okay? You're being watched, whether you're in the USA or China, but either way, this is all going to fade and people are going to forget about this probably in a week from now, and they're going to move on to the next thing. Things will get better. We have to wait for them to unfold. We have to wait for these things like the SAB 121 rule that just got rescinded, so now banks can hold crypto as assets. Banks are going to start buying our bags. Banks are going to start filing for ETFs, like they already have 30 open ETF applications. A strategic digital asset reserve is going to go live in the USA. They're going to be buying billions and billions of dollars of not only Bitcoin, but altcoins and stuff like Ripple, Dogecoin. It's going to be crazier than we can imagine, but Rome wasn't built in a day. So let's take a deep breath and just realize that when you're playing the crypto game, you can't be scared about these 20% dips that are just affected by the news cycle, okay? Because next week, who knows, we could have a 50% candle to the upside. The game you're playing in crypto is the most volatile asset in all of human history, but the price you pay for the extreme gains that crypto has to offer is extreme volatility, and I'll just say that on repeat until that gets through to people's heads, but sometimes you need to experience it to really understand what that means.